Bring him on, bring him on. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, it's your boy Wildlife CA. Don't know, Calgary, Alberta. So anyway, today's our next ice fishing day, and we're at the Chestermere Lake, and we're gonna give it a shot today. You know, hopefully we get lucky today because we've been very bad lucky the last few times we went fishing. So this is the lake right here. We're fishing here before. It's beyond this fence. It's frozen over. You can see the skid marks on the ice right there. That gives you assurance that it's very thick. So we're going to ice, and there's Rome Street and Zan out there, so we're going to go meet them. But look at the view behind us. Look at that sun. And look at that. That's Apollo 19. About to land on the sun right there. Check it out. Yeah, man. Just doing their little orbit up there. Don't know. But anyway, we are go on the ice, get my stuff out of the car, go on the ice. So guys, don't know, catch you on the ice. See all them tents out there? Alright. Guys are probably somewhere out there, so heading out that way now. Construction going on, even though it's winter, there's construction going on over there still. And up there, they're still trying to land on the sun. It's crazy. There's a lot of stuff not happening today. People landing on sun, people fishing on ice, people walking on ice. Lots of stuff, you know. But yes, we're gonna head out there on the ice where Zan and Rome Street is. So we'll reach out there, so I'll show you guys what's going on. Seeing? Alright, cool. I made the wrong choice of shoes this morning. Oh, it's not for the ice. But we're almost there. Long walk. You know what I mean? So, almost there. You can see the guys out there getting the hogger ready to start. They already started digging a hole. So you could easily spot them. That's the big blue tent. They got the biggest tent out there on the lake. Anyway, so we'll get there, see what's happening. Alright.
Over here again. Against the light. Back home we use those ice to make slushy, don't it?
Yes, man. Sky juice.
Wasting ice up here.
Alright, I reached out the tent. Already set up. I'm gonna drill a few holes in here and get it on. Yeah, man. Guess they missed the sun by a few million miles. Better luck next time.
You want to get a try?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Never. I hate that one. Where's the electric one, man? Hold this.
Never.
Let me give it a try.
Never. That's what I'm saying.
I think I'm ready for this now.
Let me go get me against the light. Yeah. All right. Let's see what he's got.
Place the foot down right there. So you got the ground.
Me-
Put pressure on it.
Make sure it's straight.
Straight.
Yeah,
Still can't go.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. Alright. Got it wrong way.
Go the right
So
way.
we don't go wrong way, fam.
Yeah, because you're the only one that's doing the wrong way. The opposite.
way, my way.
The wrong way I go. Wrong way.
Tell them, I'm not screwed up wrong way, fam. Where are you? Opposite way, I'm not go. But me tell you some right here, you know.
Get it. Keep it straight. Yeah, before you're done. done. Alright.
Alright guys, let me set up there. Know what I mean? So give it a shot you know. Zana set up this. I'm not no Ray and nephew out here. I think Ray and his cousin out there Tid. Alright, so I go on for this. Go on the road now, alright guys, set up. Okay, so I'm going. Yeah man, if you make apple tan, better off. Because if you apple and tan, you know, evil wouldn't go trouble the apple. Yes man. Alright guys, let's get into it. You don't know. Alright guys, we're still out here on the Chestermere Lake. Yeah, I haven't caught anything yet. I haven't heard any commotion over there, over here, anywhere close by. But if I don't catch anything today, I'm gonna call it a quit. Done with it for ice fishing until next summer. Guess ice fishing is not for me, man. But hopefully I catch something soon. No, I'm going for we in a ya.
Yo, this summer we got Dixie Drought pan now.
Go over, what you call it, the other day. We never get to go this. But in the summertime, yeah.
Yeah, man, today some big teams there.
Trout.
Trout today, you know. Trout, them are
How far the pan the different?
probably an hour and like,
Can't remember now.
hour and 20, hour and 35.
Much hour?
An hour and 20, hour and like 35 minutes. Okay.
2 hour?
No.
1 hour 25 minutes.
Could I swear you said 20 hour a while ago? Yeah man, I check my line too man.
Every time I come out of the salt, brother. I know you're there, bro.
Alright, go on, let's go check your line, brother.
No, they've only still, but they'll check see again.
Check your line, don't check my line. Nothing there upon it, eh? Same result.
Oh, good thing they found this ice, bro.
Ice fishing ain't easy, bro.
Ice alone, me catch on this, bro.
That's why it's called ice fishing. You call it some ice. Yeah. I have some stuff to do with the kids today, so it's not gonna be a long day for me. I'm gonna leave in the next 30 minutes and it's the next ice fishing adventure. Didn't catch anything. I guess I'm just gonna wait around, stick around and wait for summer, right? I said Rumtree, we wait for summer, right? Yeah. Ice fishing are for the patient. Fishing overall is for the patients, but you can't have patience when you're cold and you know it's whatever, but it's fun anyway when you have a warm tent. But yeah guys, we out here. Spend the next hour or so and see if we have any luck. I'm still in here fishing. We got pulled over in our last video and pulled up to us. I have my license in my car, so I gotta go get it.
Yeah, no worries.
That
Do you have your Realm account or your information?
Ooh.
Because if you can pull it up on your phone, that's good too.
If I give you my regular license, can you pull it up?
Your
Can
driver's
you?
license?
Yeah. Can you tell if I have an active license right now?
I can double check and see if I can pull it up on my app here.
What about the address?
Thanks, Marvel.
Like the address?
I might be able to as well, but so you guys can actually have it on your phone as well, whether you
Okay.
download the app
Yeah.
or that way. We'll take
Don't mind me videoing you. I have a YouTube channel and I got pulled over the last time and I had a friendly face, so I know my followers would love to see.
No worries, that's all right. I don't
Yeah.
mind at all.
So everybody has their license except me. Gonna have to go get
Oh,
mine.
that's all right. That's the one I'm looking for.
Oh,
Just this one here, because that's just your receipt.
Okay, because I don't, like, this is my girlfriend.
Is it?
Yeah.
Lisa, no worries. All right. Let me see here. So.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave in less than 45 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk around and check the fishermen and fisherwomen in the vicinity. And I mean, are just the ones in close proximity. I'm not gonna walk all the way over there and over there just to ask anybody any luck yet. I'm just gonna walk around and ask just people close by. Any luck yet? Nothing yet for us either, brother. Any luck yet? Any luck? Ah, shit. It's better off in the summertime. They go crazy in the summertime. I don't know why. You're not. So, guys, we're gonna walk over there. That's our camp right there. Romians and over there. So, those are very close by. I'm gonna go over here and ask. Those two guys, they haven't got any luck yet, and we came out here and saw them. So, you do the math. Alright, we'll walk over here so now and see what I go and ask if them have any luck. Right here is a spot where people were fishing. Right there. This one looked freshly dug. Let's test it. No, it's solid. Rock solid. Rock solid. Somebody was burning the fire there. So there's lots of activities out here on the Chestermere Lake right there. Any luck yet? Bigfoot. There's no luck there. Okay. Let's go over here. Still a beautiful day. It's not too cold. People driving all over here. Any luck yet, brother? Oh, no, man. You got a lot of bites? Yeah. At least you're lucky. That's what we're asking. I haven't caught anything when we're over there.
You have bites over there, though?
Just one little nibble, and that's all, bro. Alright, guys. I'll already check with those guys. Let's see what's happening over here. You guys got any luck yet? Huh? No. Not at all. What is this one called? Is this the Jacker? Yeah, I saw this in Delmead Lake. Don't mind me, I have a YouTube channel. I make YouTube videos. Yeah, but we haven't had any luck yet, brother. Did you catch anything? Yeah? Did you? What'd you do? You put it back? Like, it's not big enough, eh?
Even if it's big enough, like I won't keep it.
You won't keep it? So you're just fishing for fun? Alright, guys. Just got to run a little investigation, you know, so I go on. And the guys over here haven't had any luck yet. The guys up here caught a few and throw them back, said he's fishing for fun. You know what I mean? But on the other hand, we don't catch nothing. We don't get no nibble. We don't get no bite. So, as I say, I have less than 30 minutes before I leave because I have to do some things with the kids today. You know what I mean? So, heading back to the camp and stick around for 30 more minutes. And if I don't get a bite or catch a fish, now I go head out, now I go left. And then, better luck next time. I already said I'm gonna give up on ice fishing. I'm gonna call it a quit. But no, so I'm not call it quit. I'm still gonna try. You know what I mean? So heading back to my camp and hopefully we get something. I pray we get something. Yeah, man. Yo, you don't get no bite yet. Mosquito. Mosquito, me I check if bite you out there. Something. Why not giving them? Yeah, parrot. Watch out, Perry, I page it. Yeah, parrot. You're not giving them. Thinking I'd give you something. Not bad.
I say, I lose a family too.
Alright.
You know what? But you see, pass it at that OT, see Kevin Samuels, you see Kevin Smith, which huge deal, man. Kevin Smith a reason.
Oh, LA?
Yeah, say Kevin Smith not dead. He eat that. But there's about 25 minutes ago, I talk to you about this. Kevin Smith a eat that. I say, the boy has no sense.
Yeah, right, LA Lewis, man. Something else.
Yeah.
LA is a Lewis. Living a Lou.
It is a lunatic, though.
Alright.
You know, remember that name? Man, Snake Eye, I wanted that idiot.
You miss him?
Yeah.
Talking about the hold on a while ago, man. Another year in him, man. The man I get a bite, I'm tell the man for hold on. Put on back the thing, man. Allow the thing, man. Me see thing a jump, you know, man. How you mean if me see thing a jump, man? Like, put on back the thing, brother. Hold on. Rome Street, at it. Yes, man. We broke with ducks, man. We're glad we carry out that today. You boy, Rome Street. You boy, Rome Street. Carry him up. You know, look like Pike in or Pike here.
Pike, man, yeah.
Bring him up, man. Bring him up, man.
Yeah.
Woo! Yes, man. Hey, guys, whenever you're not catching any fish, you get Rome Street out here. Rome Street. What would I do without you when you come to fishing?
You tell us about come out and come catch fish before, brother. Tell you that.
Dog, we shouldn't carry Rome Street out there. Where you carry him out of? Alright, enough of that. You don't know. This is a nice one.
Rome Street added again.
Yes, man. Nice size pike. Let's get the tape measure out.
Okay, guys, I caught my first pike. Yes. Hold on. 50.
How much is it?
50. See?
So we need a 63 inch, right?
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
First pike.
Close enough.
Yep.
But
First
we can't
pike.
keep them.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna make a release now.
Yeah, we'll make a fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, how you like the ice fishing so far?
Fun.
Fun. That's what I'm talking
Fun.
about.
Alright. Now let's let this baby go. Nice.
Beautiful. Well done.
Alright, so Rome Street just sketch one. Gave us hope, you don't know. Me did say me I spend the next 30 minutes. I'd make that an hour because I'm not leaving it. That 30 minutes just bumped up to an hour. Cause he just gave us hope. You know what I mean? So, you know, stick around a little bit longer. You know what I mean? Yes, man.
He did it. Yes, man. He did it. He did it. Feel it.
You gone? John, no.
He did it.
See, mash up a bait. Mash up a bait. You should have fixed back a bait and put it in the man, brother.
Good man.
Seed. From seed never upon the tree.
Yes, we right there, bro. So what on?
Everybody get bite already. Me alone left. Alright then. We packing up. A lot of people packing up. At least we caught one. Zan got a bite. Romy caught one there. You understand?
Yeah.
And we still out here fishing. Sun still up.
If you open your window, that would good.
Ah, you know what we can get?
So 20 more minutes and we out of here.
Canopy.
Yeah, man, them dig new spot.
Ready, son?
Yeah, make this sitting still with me.
Man, them dig new spot all bossy, all video it. I say you bossy?
Yeah, but more sitting still the pallet, I would have to, you know, take it on the hand. Yeah, man, the pallet.
So drop the fish now, man. Like a joke thing upon her. I come hold the camera and make me drop the fish. Make people see something I catch them thing here too. Come off, yeah, man. That you get, man.
Damn, bro.
Catch the fish, then make the video.
We said it was for the video, right?
No, but you told me before, Zan. Mumpy, catch the fish, then make the video.
Try and make shots, you know?
Now you're doing the opposite. And that's what you get.
Try and make shots.
And that's what you get, I tell you that. Messing around with the fish. In these drastic times, you don't mess around with fishes, man. You catch the fish, and you make the video. Why me salt? If one of my bite pan this liner, when me draw out in jawbone.
Man, get ready.
No, just in jawbone come up on the liner, man. Anybody left in the water. Well, alright. It's the next day, ice fishing. But yo, we have good news. No whole lot bad news today. Good news is that Romy caught one, Rome Street caught one, and Zan caught one. Me no get no bite. Yeah, the bad lucky one, yeah, the salt one. But unfortunately, I have to leave right now because I have to go get my son and bring all 4 of my kids to the Genesis Park. You know what I mean? The Genesis, not the park. Genesis, whatever it's called, Genesis. I can't remember what it is. And until next time, you don't know. Still not giving up. I'll catch a fish soon. But I'm gonna leave Zan and Rope Street out here, and hopefully I'll catch something. So until next time, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share. You don't know. Peace out. Yeah, man. I got my chair, my rod, and the guys are in the background right there. So I'm heading home now. There's still people out here on the lake. There's people on there. Snowmobile out there. You know what I mean? People still enjoying themselves. It's a beautiful day. A warm day in the winter is I think it's +1 right now, which that is good for this time of winter. Anyway, so until the next ice fishing, you don't know. Yes, man. Have a good day, good weekend. Take a look at this. I was passing by and I had to stop to make a video. So this is the same lake that we fishing on, except all the way over there. But as you can see, this is a boat deck or something like that. Yeah, for sure. But this is just creative, like super creative. Look at it. It's like 3, 6, 9. They do hockey on this. They play hockey on this, ice skating or whatever. But it's just awesome. I had to stop to make a video. I'm gonna go closer to see if I could get a better view. Trust me, it's beautiful. Yeah, man. I'm closer now, and this is what it looks like. This is awesome. I like it. Okay, we're gonna go through the little pathway right here. Yeah, man. I wish I could ice skate, then I could come try it. I can roller skates, but I don't know about ice skating. But this is just awesome. Yeah, man, beautiful.